It is in my nature to be a friend of the friendless. Religion is a matter between the man and his maker. Manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. Today we must remove distinctions of high and low, rich and poor, caste or creed. Faith is of no avail in absence of strength. Faith and strength, both are essential to accomplish any great work. There is something unique in this soil, which despite many obstacles has always remained the abode of great souls. Nonviolence has to be observed in thought, word and deed. The measure of our nonviolence will be the measure of our success. If you like the video, hit like button, subscribe my channel and share.